bags that I have, you know, and I got this bag. This is my old bag. Okay, y'all could tell the style of it. You could tell it's like, designs or something. Which I really love this bag so much. This is my favorite bag. So I would be doing jeans, like blue jeans, patches on this purse, which I think is gonna look so cute. They can do the black leather. Go with the black leather, stay here. It's clean. I cleaned the bag already and stuff, so leave that. Then I got this one right here. I don't know what this is. You see this? Look at this. I don't know what this is. But I got this bag. This bag did so well. Like, what? At first, I didn't like purse when I was little. I didn't like them at all, but now I'm getting older. I kind of like them. Lisa, the YouTuber who I watch, she wears purses. She's a really fashion blogger. And I'm like, dang, I like that purse. But I would be doing something with this purse. My mom would find like a brown leather, and she said I could put this on this purse, which I think it's gonna look so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait for this video. But yeah, just wear like this. Hey guys, so y'all made it to the end of the video. My DIY trendy purse bags, however y'all want it. And this is how they look. As y'all can see. I really do like it a lot. Like I say, I am doing like the jean patches on it, and it really came out so nice, and I really like it. Then this one, y'all saw me, I did put the brown leather on it. Still got some brown leather on here, but I think this look good. This is not the gray ripped jeans. I really like this one too. I don't know which one is my favorite though. I really do like it a lot. Right. So yeah, this is for the video, and today is Sunday shoutout. So here on the screen. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and comment down below my video, letting me know that you have subscribed. I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much. If you want a channel shout out, you gotta go to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, and y'all can message me and let me know that y'all want a shout out. I think that is an easy way for me. So yeah, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. So yeah, so that's it for the video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.